American Indian contributions, asphalt. The lowest grade of crude oil is asphalt. Brownish black in color, it is solid or semi-solid. Evidence exists that cultures east of Missouri River were using it as a waterproofing agent as early as 8000 BC. The shoe mash of Southern California used and traded asphalt so extensively that some archaeologists have deemed them to have an asphaltum culture. The tribe obtained the asphalt from the area now known as La Brea tar pits located in what is now the Los Angeles area. The oil there had been formed by the action of pressure and time on marine plankton deposited millions of years earlier. According to scientists, the petroleum took about 40,000 years to migrate to the surface. Asphalt was formed naturally when the lighter, more volatile substances such as kerosene evaporated. Caulking for canoes was one of the most important uses for the substance. The shoe mash crumbled dry asphalt and heated it in stone vessel, mixing it with pitch to make it a sealant. This was then thickened with red ochre. The mixture was poured onto the boat's surface from soapstone ladles. The shoe mash spread it onto the canoes with willow bark brushes and scraped the excess off with bone scrapers. When boats needed to be recaulked, a hot stone was applied to melt the seam. American Indian water bottles. The Shumash also used asphalt to seal long-necked baskets that they used as water containers. They coated the insides by filling them with pebbles that they had dipped into hot asphalt and then shaking the basket. They used asphalt to coat the exterior of these baskets as well. The Shumash also used asphalt to plug up the holes in abalone shells so that they could be used as dishes, and as glue to fasten spear points and arrow points to shafts. Just as the ancient Sumerians of the Middle East had done, the Shumash independently discovered how to use the substance to glue shell inlay as decoration on stone, bone, and wood. Asphalt was in such high demand among the other West Coast tribes that the Shumash traded it for goods such as soapstone, salt, fur, and food. Most of the asphalt used today is a byproduct of petroleum distillation. It is used to line reservoirs and swimming pools as well as to surface roads. The use of asphalt for road surfaces did not begin in the United States until 1870. In the mid 1960s, highway engineers discovered that when asphalt was blended with about 18% rubber, another American Indian invention, the new substance provided increased resistance to melting in hot weather and cracking in cold weather.